And I told them that as Gulu High Court, we now feel like we are some grandparent of a sort, because we gave birth to Kitgum, and now Kitgum has also given birth to Patongo. So I think I can rightly now assume the position of a grandparent. Second, I want to take this opportunity to very sincerely thank you, the Chief Justice, and the entire Judiciary Administration for this big milestone. I know, as a person who has been at the head of the High Court in Gulu, of what the people of this region have been facing. You don't need to tell me that. So when you see justice has now been brought closer to the people, that brings a smile to our faces. So we want to thank you very, very sincerely. As all of you know, the Chief Justice has made access to justice one of the hallmarks of his administration. It is not only here. And we thank him very sincerely for that. Access to justice has key components, and one of the major components is reachability of the court. How can you have the court 200 kilometers away and you still call yourself that people are accessing that justice? That is simply not acceptable. So we thank you. The other components of course, access to justice, we talk about the functionality of the court itself. And on that note, I am very grateful that Patongo has got one of the very best, Justice Acoli. I can say that without any fear of contradiction because I worked with him and I know his capability. So the people of Patongo, you've got the best, and I know he will do wonders in this place. My Lord, I don't have much to say. Like I said, I was only a footnote. I thank you and I congratulate the people of Patongo for this great milestone. Thank you very much.